Hello! In today's pronunciation lesson, we're going to be looking at function words and how they have strong forms and weak forms. The function words below are often spoken quickly with a lazy sound in conversational English. This lazy sound is that schwa sound that we talked about last week. The underlined words in the sentences below are function words. Notice how they are pronounced with a lazy vowel sound instead of a full vowel, using that schwa sound. What do you do in your free time? Yeah, I agree, but I still enjoy them. You should watch it. Function words can have a strong form if the word is stressed in a sentence, and a weak form if the word is unstressed in a sentence. For example, what city are you from? I'm from Nagoya. From becomes very short because it's not stressed in the sentence. And so from, you might hear the full from, the full vowel sound, or you might just hear this from. It has this the schwa sound being used. The words there and that have strong and weak forms that are used in sentences. There uses its strong form when used as a location, and its weak form when used for grammar at the beginning of sentences. In the first sentence, the restaurant is over there. This there is the here or there meaning, and so therefore this is important for the meaning of the sentence. It uses its strong form, and so these words are stressed, restaurant and there. The restaurant is over there, and there is stressed. You hear the full vowel in the there. In the second sentence, there are 2 boys in my class. Here, there are is just needed for grammar, and so this is not here and there. The words that are stressed, 2 boys in my class, these have the full vowel sounds, but there are has a very weak sound, and so we'll be using the schwa sound for the vowels. In the third sentence, there are cute animals there, has both forms of there. We have the weak form for there are, and the here and there location, the cute animals there, and pointed to the location. So there are cute animals there. The final there would be stressed, and you'd hear the full vowel sounds, but there are is going to have a shorter sound. The same thing happens for the word that. That uses its strong form when used as a determiner, and its weak form when used as a relative pronoun. In this first sentence, that is a picture of my brother. This is using this and that, similar to here and there. So that is a picture of my brother, right? Not this one. And so that is a very important word in the sentence, and this is one of the words that gets stressed in the sentence. In the second sentence, she is the girl that won the game. Here, that is used for grammar, used as a relative pronoun to describe what's happening with the girl, right? She's the one that won the game. She's the girl that won the game. But this that is a very short sound. Its weak form is just going to use the schwa sound in it, and that you would not stress this word. In the third example, we have both forms, the strong and weak, of that. That is the movie that scared me. That is the this and that, and so therefore this determiner word is stressed and is the strong form. And the that scared me, again, is that relative pronoun describing the movie, and so therefore this is the weak form of that, and it's going to be very short, just using the schwa sound.